Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Crandall. We are on place value set one. Sorry, I'm laughing because it's just weird to have to see my face. Not have to, but to see my face when I'm talking all the time. It's just very odd. Anyway, we're on place value set one. We are on a new week, week two. This is page one, day one of week two of our packet. And we're going to be working on place value. Now, before we start, quick review on place value. Place value is basically in numbers, you have three places. Well, there's technically a million billion places, but the main ones we're working with are these three places. We're going to go with blue, red, and let's go with orange. Now, orange looks too much like, there we go, green. Blue, red, and green. Now, in the class, we've heard the song hundreds, tens, and ones, and I always write it like this. Hundreds, tens, and ones, hundreds, tens, and ones, hundreds, tens, and ones. Now, I used to put the O for ones because for those adults listening, ones obviously starts with the letter zero, letter O. But the problem is that when we read it, it looks like an O, and when you think of one, you don't think of the O, you think of the letter W. Anyway, so it's hundreds, tens, and ones. So remember, friends, each one of these is actually way bigger than the one to its right. For example, 200, trying to make it a different color. There it is. 200 is way bigger than two tens, and two tens is way bigger than two ones. And remember, we start, the bigger numbers are on this side. They get bigger as you go that way. So, which one's bigger, two tens or two ones? Two tens are bigger. Which one is smaller, two hundreds or two ones? That's right. Smaller one is two ones right here. Now, we're going to be reading some words, and now some of these words can be difficult because until you read them out loud. As soon as you read them aloud, a lot of these become easier. They want you to write the number that means the same as each word. 212. Well, let's see. So it said 212. So let's erase what we have here. How many hundreds did it say? It said it was 212. So 212. How do you write the number 12? I think you write it like this. 1, 2, right? So if you write 12 right here, right? That's correct? No, that would be too big because in place value, you can only have one digit right down the middle. Only one digit. So for 12, if you have 12, you know that you have 1 10 and two ones. 212. There we go. Let's do number 2, 708. 708. And now I'm saying it aloud again because it's helpful to, sometimes if you read the word, it's harder to understand it than if you say it aloud and then you can hear yourself saying it. So 708, 700. So how many hundreds is that? 7. And 8. 8 what? If a number is just by itself, like if you just say 5 and you don't say 5 tens or 5 hundreds, that means it's just a 1. So if you say 8, that means 8 ones. And it said 708. Did it say anything about tens? Did it say 728, 38? Nope. If it doesn't say it, it's not there. Bing, 708. 102. 102. Number 3, 102. So 100. How many hundreds? 102. Remember, as I said, if it's just a number with nothing attached to it, so if you don't say two tens or two hundreds, then 2 means ones. 2 ones. And 102. Did they say 122? 132? Nope. They didn't say anything, so it's blank. 102. 455. How many hundreds? Once again, 400. I was trying to erase that. 455. So everybody had a bit of a technical glitch there, and we're back. Once again, the number, I'm going to check real quick because I've already forgotten it, was 455. Right here, 455. Right there. So 400. So here's our hundreds. 55. Now, like I said, if you have a number just by itself, that means you know that 55, the 5 is a 1. If you say 50, that means 5 tens. And you can do that by counting on your fingers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You should have 5 fingers up if you count by that way, which means it should be 455. 455. Let's do one more. 618. So it said 600, and that gives us the first number. 18. Now, the number 18 is 1, 8. Now, since, as we said before, in place value, you can only have one digit. Here's a digit right here. Here's a digit right there. You can only have one digit in each of these boxes. So you couldn't put an 18 here, and you couldn't put an 18 here. You got to break it up. So 18, this is the remember, hundreds, tens, and ones. And you can see ones, tens. So it's 18 right there. 618. All right, that's 5 of them. Let's move down to the other half of this page. Draw a line to match each number with the correct word. Now, this could take some practice, friends. Do not feel bad about it. So we're looking for, let's start on the right side. I think that'll be easier. 989. So we know the first number is 9. Find one of these over here. There's a 9. Hey, there's only one with a 9. It's right here. And then it says 80. So 9, 8, 9. There it is. It's right there. You don't have to draw all that other stuff. In fact, you can just draw a line straight across. Like this. Or, just to make it more clear, I can put it right here to make it easier to see. 841. Now we're looking for a number that starts with 8. Starts with 8. Has a 4 and a 1. 841. Let's see where that is. Hey, it's right here. 841. 841. Next one. 274. 274. 274. Let's see. Ah, there it is. It's right there. And let's do one more. 187. 187. Right there. 187. Ooh, I forgot to write the answer up there. 274. 187. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's right there. All right, friends. I believe you can do the rest of it. I've got to stop saying I say too much in these videos, but I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.